guys, today we're going to learn about scales. A scale is a series of notes that progresses up or down in a stepwise motion. A scale begins and ends on notes of the same letter name and contains a certain arrangement of tones and semitones. There are many different types of scales. A few examples are the major scale, harmonic minor scale, chromatic scale, and blues scale. Each of these scales may be started on any note of the keyboard. The factor that differentiates them is the arrangement of tones and semitones within them. In this video, we will focus on the major scale. This scale will sound familiar to you because it's the Do-Re-Mi scale.
Do, a deer, a female deer, re, a drop of golden sun, mi, a name I call myself, fa, a love of run.
The arrangement of tones and semitones for the major scale is as follows: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. In order to work out the notes of the C major scale, we will follow this pattern of tones and semitones. I will begin on C and go up one tone or two semitones. Remember that one tone is equal to two semitones. We will land on the note D. From there, we will go up another tone, which takes us to the note E. From there, we need to go up a semitone, which will take us to the note F. Remember that E to F is a semitone because there is no black note between these two white notes. We will then go up three more tones, from F to G, from G to A, and from A to B. In order to complete the scale, we will need to go up one more semitone. This will take us to the note C, which has the same letter name as the note we started on. As you can see, this scale has 8 notes, starts and ends on a note of the same letter name, contains a note on every line and in every space between the first and last notes, and contains the major scale arrangement of tones and semitones. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. These are all important characteristics of a major scale. As I mentioned earlier in this video, we may start a scale on any note on the keyboard. All we need to do is apply the same pattern of tones and semitones in order to generate another major scale. Let's use the note A flat, for example. I will begin on an A flat and go up one tone. We will land on this note, which we can call A sharp or B flat. We will write this note as a B flat on our stave for two reasons. Firstly, as I mentioned when I was listing the important characteristics of a major scale just a moment ago, we need to have a note on every line and in every space of the stave between the first and last notes. If I were to follow the A flat with an A sharp, I would have two notes in the same space. This is incorrect in a major scale. Secondly, we should always try to avoid mixing sharps and flats. This scale starts on an A flat, so we should use the flat names for all of the accidentals that come after this. So after my A flat, I will write a B flat. I now need to go up another tone, which will take me to the note C. From here, I will go up a semitone and land on this note, which I will write as a D flat instead of its enharmonic, C sharp. Going up another 3 tones takes us to E flat, F, and G. The final semitone to complete the scale takes us back to the A flat, which has the same letter name as the note we started on. By following the pattern of tones and semitones you have learned here, you should now be able to write a major scale on any note of the keyboard. Please have a look at the accompanying notes and feel free to come and see me if you need any help.